Mga vlogger man, daghan ang vlogger ni. Reggie Sogano, Kenneth, Rodel, Vitor. Ano eh? Wayne Day. It's a weighing day at Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Komong Bulanon 21. Natoy RPO. Yes.
Gold. This is gold.
Yes. Alright. Medicals. That's the GAM officials. Mga medicals. Alright. Dito natin yung promoter. Mag-start na to for a while. Weighing natin. Ready for the weigh.